I'm John Shope from Dirty Bird Concepts. I'm going to take you through our parts. We have a low pressure injection process that we do. We have a patented formula. It's a blend of a few urethanes and different polymers. What we've done is we've surpassed fiberglass. Technology changes, and right now this is what's happening. It's just about unbreakable. I'm going to demonstrate it. One more time. We run our parts through extensive tests. I mean, driving over them, beating them with hammers, just crazy things that you would never do to your bike parts, obviously, but just to prove the durability and everything with the parts. We'll start with the metal. Here's fiberglass. Now ours. There you have it. We can do a lot of things you can't do in fiberglass. Just because there's undercuts, and we can do 3D parts versus just laying up glass. When you lay up glass, you have no control of the inside of what you're doing. And fiberglass is brittle, and this is just a lot better system.